Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to enable or set up international shipping for your Shopify store online in 2024 from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do, goes without saying, is you need to log into your Shopify account as an administrator. So once you guys are here, or once you're in the dashboard, you'd want to make sure that you select the correct store that you want to add an international shipping option to. So I have Core Dynamics Tech set as my main store, and let's say that I want to add the international shipping to this store. So the idea is you would want to click on the drop down on your profile icon on the top right corner of your screen, like so. Select the corresponding store that you want to update. So I already have it here. I have it set up. And when you guys go to your products page, like so, you'll see that you'll have the option to configure each and every product that's registered under your store. So if I were to, you can see that under markets, it's set to only my country. So if I want to set it to international, you could either click on this button and click on view market. But the easiest way really is to access settings, which can be found on the bottom left corner of the screen. So it's this little option right here. And once we're here, we're going to look for the tab that says markets. So markets can be found in between gift cards and apps and sales channels. It says this one right here. And you'll have two options, being your country of origin that you have your store set to, and international. So by default, international is actually disabled. So if you want to enable it, you simply want to click on the edit button right here. So the arrow right next to it, and you will navigate to the top right corner of the window and set the inactive tab to active. Once you do that, hit save, and you guys should be done. Now, what's going to happen is this market is activated for all of our products that are registered to our Shopify account as international shipping. So you can see international and X country for this product, and let's see if the effect carried over to my other product. It should have, so there we are. And that's honestly all there is to it. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.